oil, and subframe also cover with the oil. And there is a washer. Make sure left it running nearly 10 minutes. You can see welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. Today I got Vauxhall Corsa 2008 model. Customer complaining there is a oil leak inside engine bay. I'm going to show you how to find leak and what's the cause of the leak. Let's go to the engine bay. You can see AC compressor cover with the oil and subframe also cover with the oil. I'm going to start the car and show you where it's come from. You can see it's come out from this oil switch. Basically this is common problem for the Vauxhall Corsa, Astra, Insignia. This oil switch not good. We need to replace oil seal. That's why all around area cover with the oil. I'm going to show you how to replace this oil switch. First need to disconnect this electrical connector. After that you need to 24mm long socket. And there is a washer. Make sure it's come out with the sensor. This is the new part. Need to compare. Identically okay. New sensor come with the washer. Make sure install that washer and reinstall the sensor. And I'm going to tight. Right. You can see this plug cover with the plenty oil. Better to clean around this area. And make sure clean surround AC compressor also well. Going to install connector. Make sure clip in. Job done. I'm going to reinstall dipstick. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the car and keep it 5-10 minutes running and have a look any leaks around this area. Make sure no leak around this area. I left it running nearly 10 minutes. You can see all nice and dry. No any leaking anymore. After that, take your dipstick out and make sure your oil level correct. If it need to top up oil. However, this vehicle fine, then I don't want to top up oil. If your reason, if you need to top up the oil. Thanks for watching. If your vehicle has a leak around that area, you know what to do. Please subscribe and follow our channels. You can get lot of useful video and tips like this. See you with the next video.